So there's a procedure of choosing images from Google. Let's just check how to first use images from Google. Say I write Mumbai. And also there's a procedure of how do you save the images for a better quality. Say for example, if I want to check for this image, number one, I'll click here. Never you should save like this, and not even you should save like this, because it will save the thumbnail and not the original size. If you see the original size of this image, you can see here 4200 into 2800. 4200 is the width and 2800 is the height. What I do is I'll open this image in new tab. Say if I want to save this image, that's how I'll save it. I'll open it in a new tab and then I'll save so that I get the best quality image. That's how I save it. Now we'll have to check if where this image is used and what all sizes are available. I go here and click on search Google for image. Now if you see this, it's saying all sizes, small, medium, large. So how it would help us that whenever we are creating a graphic which is small, let's say 800 by 800 or 500 by 500, then we'll also use the small size image so that our image size is reduced. Now you can see the number of times this image is used, and you can also see where is this image used. This is used on Reddit, this is used on irooms.in, this is some site, this is some site. So if you also use it, your image would be here, and like Google can detect where the image is used. Now what I do is I can check and see the sizes which I want. This is the original size which we just took. You can check for the different sizes. When I hover here, you can see the different sizes, and then I'll choose which size I want to use. And then again I have to open this in new tab and then save it, not just save it like this. So this is the one how you use the image. Also, you can go here, go on tools, say I go to images first, and I can here check what I want, what size I want, what color I want, what type I want. Do I want a PNG and usage rights? So you can check and choose Creative Commons licenses, and then you can use such images. So always it's better that you go to tools and check for the licensing of the images. Let's say I go to images and then I go to tools and I go to this usage right and click Creative Commons licenses and then check for the images, and then I can check the size as well. For using stock photos which are free to use and there's no attribution required, there are a lot of sites. One such site is called pexels.com. You have to go to pexels.com, search for any image you were looking for. Let's say I was searching for image of Mumbai. Here I go. I click here. Let's say if I want to use this image, again, I won't save it like this. What I have to do is, so this is a very clear-cut image. If you see, go to this free download and check which size. I don't want such a big size. I'm not using it for print this moment. I'm just using it for digital creative or on my website. So I can go with medium or small, depending upon the graphic which I am creating. Let's say if I'm creating a post which is for Instagram, I might go with this 1280 into 1920 because Instagram has a size which is 1080 into 1080. So I'll have to check what size I need and then I'll use it and go to this medium and then download. So if you see this, you can see the license here, that there's no attribution required and you can easily use this and modify this image. So it's always better if you can find good high stock photos from here.